How to make your own homemade chicken bone broth. It's super expensive getting in the shops to buy this ready-made, and you can simply make it using your good old slow cooker. So in goes last night's roast chicken. I'm placing everything in there, the skin, the bones, everything that you have got, even the jelly that's left over. Add in 1 large onion that's been roughly chopped and 2 carrots, again just cut into chunks, 2 celery sticks that are chopped, and around about 2 garlic cloves as well. Also 1 bay leaf, and if you've got any fresh parsley, add that too because it really is lovely. 6 to 8 peppercorns, you want to add those in, along with a little bit of salt. Now I'm using fleur de sel. This is gorgeous. It's like Celtic sea salt, although I will be testing for seasoning at the end. Now you need to add in around about 2 litres of water. It wants to be around about 2 centimetres above the level of the chicken and ingredients. Pop your lid on, then slow cook for around about 8 to 10 hours on low. Once it's cooked through, you want to drain off those ingredients. They've done all the work and they're not much use. Then give it another strain through. This just helps to get rid of any other extra little bits and pieces in the broth. Now the next tip I want to give you, if you've got maybe a lot of fat on the top, pop it in the fridge, and then what happens is it solidifies, and then you'll be able to take it off a lot easier. Now, I like to put myself a batch in the fridge to have for about 2 to 3 days, but you can also place it into the freezer, into portions even, because it will last up to 3 months. This is super fabulous for you, really good for your health, especially if you're feeling under the weather. But if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. It's my website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.